Turn on and turn off profile view history on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone, and whenever you have to open it, this is the desktop will appear in front of you. At the bottom, you will get different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox, and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile option. When you have to click on the profile option, before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Click on these two bars. Just you have to click on it, and at the top you can see this geared option. Click on it, and you can turn on and turn off profile view history on TikTok. And you will able to see the who viewed your profile in the past 30 days, and after that you will not see your profile view history. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.